Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to make a barcode with the item number so that you can take a printout to make a U sticker or for postal address purposes. By default, there is no such a font in Microsoft Excel. So you have to download from the external website. I have given the 3 font link in the video description. For additional fonts, there are also the group of website which I have given in the same description. Download the font and install in the Windows folder.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.